Really, because I'm like, you just gonna talk about me in front of my face like that? Like, you gonna talk about me where I can hear you and just... What's up, everybody? It's your girl CC back with another video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you see something that inspires you to subscribe. If you're already a family member, welcome back, fam. So y'all know last week I told y'all, or last video I told y'all that I would have a surprise guest for you, and my guest is here. So let me introduce her to some.
I hope you told them I didn't have no enthusiasm.
I didn't tell them anything about you, my love. I'm gonna introduce her to some and reintroduce her to others, but it is my best friend.
Hi.
Ebony. So she is here visiting with me for the next couple of days, so you guys get to see me in rare form with my friend and just get ready for those shenanigans. So yeah, we're actually at the nail shop about to get our nails done because we have a Galentines date this weekend. So yeah, so come along with us. We're about to get our nails done. I told her before she came here that there is nothing here in Havelock, but
I need to tell you something. I'm really ticklish on my feet. That's why I don't get pedicures. So I'm just letting you know right now.
So what I'm supposed to do with that information?
I don't want you judging me.
All right, y'all. So we about to go in here and see what had happened. I'm on D's camera. I don't know if the quality is popping like it do on my channel because I got my settings set and I don't know what his settings are on. But I'm on D's camera because your girl, like the, you know, amazing YouTuber that I am, I left my SD card sitting in the computer from the last video that I edited. So I gotta make sure I get this footage off of his. But yeah, let's go get our toes done, y'all. All right, y'all, so we done. Let me show y'all these toes. Toes on, polished. So we got hungry, so we are at one of my favorites, which is Mucho Bueno Mexican restaurant. So we about to eat. I'll show y'all my food when it comes out, and then I think I'm gonna take her to get dessert, so stay tuned. I was supposed to show y'all when my food came out, but your girl got the grubbing, so this is what's left. I had taco, rice, plantains, beans, chips, dips, half and half. So yeah, I'm full, I'm sleepy, but we gotta get dessert and get some shenanigans popping. So once we come back, I will let y'all know. All right, y'all, so dessert, we are at Happy Cakes Cupcakery. So these are like the best cupcakes out here. They were on the Food Network. They actually won the Food Network Cupcake Wars. So yeah, season 9.
No, you're fine. They remixing all of their mama songs.
It's okay. I like this song. All right, y'all. So we about to bust into these cupcakes. Let me see. Can I get y'all set up? All right, cool. Cupcake mukbang. Oh, so y'all saw the dozen. Okay, so we're just gonna taste one for y'all. Well, Ev's gonna taste one for y'all. I'll taste one. Which one you want? I want you to taste this hummingbird.
The hummingbird?
Yeah.
That's this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the hummingbird is supposed to be an infusion of banana nut bread, which I love. Ask Starbucks. And pineapple upside down cake.
I think she said it's like it has pineapple in it, but I think she said it's like a fusion between banana nut bread, and something else. I'm gonna do strawberries and cream just because y'all know strawberry shortcake is my favorite.
Okay, well. I don't know how to eat this pretty.
You ain't gotta eat pretty.
With the pinky up and everything?
Delicious. What yours tastes like?
I don't know where she got pineapple from.
You gonna take some pineapple now?
It tastes like...
But she said it's a fan favorite.
It's really good. It's really good. Seeing you eat that from the corner of my eye.
People in there getting their Super Bowl orders together.
Oh, is that what they're doing?
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you something. We got about 4 more minutes for itis sets in.
All right, y'all. I think we are headed back to the house. I'm just going to show her around base and then probably chill for the rest of the night. So I will come back. But I have to ask you, what has been your experience day 1 in North Carolina?
It's definitely a lot of trees out here. There's a lot of trees. And it's been good. It's been good. Yeah.
A lot of trees and no homeless people.
I have not seen not one homeless person, which is different from California. So, and there's not a lot of bilingual people out here.
Y'all, we was at the Mexican restaurant. Now, I go to this Mexican restaurant all the time. So, I order my tacos, and then on the menu, it says refried beans. And I'm used to them bringing me refried beans. But today, they brought out black beans. And so, I was like, can I have refried beans instead of black beans? So, I'm not thinking nothing of it. And I hear Ebony say something like, yeah, but that's not what she wanted. Like, to herself. And I was like, what the heck is going on? And then the man comes with my refried beans like instantaneously. And I'm like, what just happened? And she was like, the waitress said to the server, doesn't she know that the black beans are fried? Is that what she said?
Yeah.
Doesn't she know that the black beans are fried? It's good to have a bilingual friend, baby, because they was in there talking about your girl. And I didn't have no clue, but I don't care if they're fried. I wanted refried beans. Like, that's what the menu says. That's what I ordered. Though, if the black beans were fried, that's your business, but they wasn't refried. And I wanted refried beans. I was just like, wow. This is why it's good to have a bilingual friend, because mi español is muy, muy pequeño. And I didn't know, but she knew. So, yeah. That was my little experience today. Clearly, not a lot of us are bilingual out here.
I'm just saying. I live with the demographic that is very strong in Spanish.
Clearly.
In California. So, North Carolina doesn't have that demographic out here.
I'm like,
that's very strong.
Clearly, because I'm like, you just gonna talk about me in front of my face like that? Like, you gonna talk about me where I can hear you and just... And I'm just supposed to sit there and be cool with it? I mean, I was, but what? You just gonna talk about me like where I can hear you and not care? You just... Wow.
I will say, this is the first time I've been to a nail shop that I seen that was very multiracial. where the workers are, because I'd never seen a black nail tech in real life. And I've never seen a non-Asian nail tech in real life either. I've never been serviced by one. So that was different.
Yeah.
That was different. But it was nice. Nice. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We headed to the house. So
wait a minute, I gotta go to Walmart and get my press-ons.
Not miss. You got 4 minutes until the items kick in.
Look, about 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Because I know you're not trying to go to this Walmart.
What's wrong with it?
What's right with it? This ain't the one you go to.
Is this supposed to be the hood one?
No. It just ain't the one we go to.
Okay, I'll trust that. In North Carolina.
Please and thank you.
Okay.
We finna go to Walmart and then I probably to the house. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. So we home. This is what's left of the cupcakes. Soraya eating. What kind she eating?
This caramel one. It tastes like a Starbucks drink.
That's
what
what I
you
had, right?
Oreo.
No, you had this hummingbird one.
Oh.
Tootie, come get your chocolate one.
Is it good?
It's alright.
Oh, okay.
He don't like, Chapman don't like this frosting.
You don't like the frosting?
It's alright. It's not the I like buttercream. I don't like the whip.
Oh, it meets in the middle.
Which one you want? You want a chocolate one? This one?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
After we want this middle,
Simple.
but the sprinkles.
None of them have, you want me to put some sprinkles on there?
No,
You want me to put you some sprinkles on there?
no.
I got sprinkles. You want some?
Yeah.
Okay, go sit down. I'll get you some sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
You got sprinkles.
It's the order.
Good morning, fam. So I'm out here definitely looking like the bald-headed stepchild, but I washed my hair and stuff because I am going to get my hair done. Somebody don't look like the bald-headed stepchild. She give y'all all sorts of glam this morning, but she too is also get her hair done. So you guys have asked for it and I'm gonna try to get my best friend to do it. I'm gonna try to get her to give y'all a makeup tutorial and I'm gonna see if she will do my makeup for y'all since her makeup is already done.
These folks.
What?
Are those your natural Look, go back.
What?
Look at that natural highlight. Excuse me?
That's moisturizer and water. Moisturizer and moisturize your skin, drink your water, mind your business. And you too can have a natural highlight. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see if she will do my makeup for y'all so y'all can get a little makeup tutorial going. And we're about to go get our hair done and we'll see what other shenanigans we get into because it's Super Bowl Sunday and somebody wants to watch the game.
It's the only game I watch.
I just want to see the concert at the game. So we'll see what we get into and yeah, see y'all when we get to the salon. UNice Nevaeh from See Me Work is gonna do my hair. So I got this. What is it? U-part? No,
it's a closure.
a closure.
A 22 inch.
A 22 inch.
Closure.
Okay, so I got a 22 inch closure wig from UNice Hair. So we about to get it installed because I'm not gonna be looking like the bald-headed stepchild today. And yeah, y'all see Sierra from See Me Work. She gonna let y'all see her today. So yeah, we in this thing.
I had on today. We ain't so hungry.
So I will see y'all when we get done. All right, Nevaeh, now tell the people what you done did.
So we done melted her. Now we finna take out the baby hairs and lay her back down. Period. So these two.
Y'all, she was plucking for her life. I don't know what
Yeah, we
that
still
do,
gonna pluck some more.
but sis was plucking for her life and I'm grateful.
I like that band.
It's thick. It's wide.
Yeah.
So shout out to UNice for the band and the wig caps.
Yes, the wig caps are fire.
So
They did that.
she ain't asked me where I wanted my part or nothing. See, that's what happened.
Because it's a closure. You know, everybody do side part with closures.
Side part?
I mean middle part, yeah.
Oh.
That's what I mean.
You got much space to work with.
Yeah.
When you be best friends with your stylist, they just do whatever they want to do to your hair. And you just sit in the chair. And I'm grateful. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at all. So yeah. I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know what we doing, because I told y'all I was going to give y'all the wig update. Now, when my best friend do my makeup when we get home, maybe I can get these Beyonce tickets. If y'all already got y'all Beyonce tickets, don't say nothing to me down below in the comments, because I'm trying to get my hair done and my makeup done so I could, you know, get surprised on Valentine's Day like, oh, I got you Beyonce tickets. Hope it'll work out for me.
It's gonna work. It's gonna work.
It's gonna work out for me?
It's gonna work.
Because somebody over there don't sound too sure.
Who getting the Beyonce tickets?
I'm getting some Beyonce tickets for
What you gonna
Valentine's
do
Day.
with these tickets?
I'm getting my hair and makeup done. What?
And then what you gonna do after you get your hair and
I'm gonna
makeup
be a gift.
done? Oh, okay.
You gonna put a bow on front?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna be the gift.
That's gonna work.
Yeah. I'll let y'all know when y'all see me at the concert on September 23rd. When y'all see me at the concert on September 23rd, just know it worked.
That's far away. I did not know that.
Alright, so I got a 22-inch 4x4 closure glueless unit from UNice Hair, and I absolutely loved it. Installed by my boo, See Me Works. Make sure y'all check them out. The information will be below in the description box as always. So yeah, we headed out to get into some shenanigans. Oh, let me show y'all my best friend here. Oh, oh, kill a best friend. Oh, oh, oh. Who you know? All right, y'all, we out. All right, so to end our Galentine's Day weekend date, we are at, I brought my best friend out for her Galentine's dinner. We are at Longhorn, looking like the snacks, but what is? Okay, like I was saying, we are doing our Galentine's Day dinner, and we are at Longhorn. Y'all know I can't not do a steakhouse, so Longhorn is, because that's my spot. So yeah, what you order?
I ordered the New York strip with a sweet potato and crispy Brussels sprouts.
And y'all know I got the ribeye, medium, with a salad and loaded mash. So yeah, I'll show y'all when our food comes out. They got the bread. What's wrong?
It's sweet. I understand the sweet tea.
They don't have it like that in California?
No, they have tea that's been sweetened in California. This is sweet tea.
Yeah, so the food is out. Look at my food. She wanna be seen so bad. Y'all, I was watching another YouTuber, and she had went on a whole girls trip, like with her friends, but her vlog was like nobody was there. So I told her, I was like, I'm gonna act like her, and I'm gonna act like he wasn't even here. So she gonna stick her fork in my plate so y'all can see her. There she go. All right, y'all, so it's actually the next day, and I know what y'all thinking, girl, you ain't give us no makeup tutorial or nothing. I know y'all. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do a whole dedicated video with a makeup tutorial in there, because I know you guys been asking, so I'm gonna make sure that I get that out to you guys, a whole dedicated video with the makeup tutorial. But with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. I'll see you guys later. Peace.